Ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Do not let your body become someone else's pleasure.
Do not give in to pressure where you are told you need to do something for your life. Think twice, ask for advice, and when in doubt, realize it isn't worth it.
Trust your gut instinct. If it doesn't feel right, don't send it on.
What is cybersex? Cybersex is the act of engaging sexual activities or conversations over the internet, usually through text, video, or voice communication.
Ayon sa Republic Act No. 10175, Section 4, nakasaad na the willful engagement, maintenance, control, or operation, indirectly or directly, of any lascivious exhibition of sexual organs or sexual activity with the aid of a computer system for favor or consideration shall be punished. Ang parusa para sa cybersex ay prison mayor or ang pagkakakulong mula 6 na taon at 1 araw hanggang 12 taon, at ang multa na hindi bababa sa 200,000 hanggang 100,000 pesos. Layunin ng batas na ito na protektahan ang mga kabataan laban sa pang-aabuso at pagsasamantala gamit ang teknolohiya at internet. Hindi ito nilikha upang supilin ang pribadong komunikasyon, kundi upang labanan ang online exploitation at cybercrime.
Cybersex effect. Cybersex can have varying effects, ranging from harmless entertainment to addiction, impacting mental health, relationship, and overall well-being. While some individuals use it recreationally without negative consequences, others may develop compulsive behavior leading to adverse outcomes. Here's a breakdown of potential effect of cybersex. Addiction. Cybersex addiction involves compulsive online sexual activities that interfere with daily life. Signs include loss of control, preoccupation, withdrawal symptoms, and continuing the behavior despite negative consequences. Mental health. Cybersex addiction can be linked to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem, potentially intensifying feelings of loneliness and inadequacy. It may also trigger obsessive compulsive behavior, creating rituals around online sexual activities. Relationship. Excessive cybersex can damage real-life relationship, leading to emotional detachment, distrust, and decreased sexual interest in partners. Partners may feel betrayed, hurt, or unable to compete with online fantasies, resulting in diminished self-esteem. Risky sexual behavior. Cybersex can lead to real-life sexual encounter, potentially increase the risk of sexual transmitted disease. Some individuals may engage in dangerous sexual communication and promiscuity. Escapism. Cybersex can use as an escape from problems or negative emotion, providing a temporary distraction but not addressing the underlying issues. This can lead to a cycle of dependency and further neglect of real-life responsibility. Lifestyle changes. Excessive involvement in cyber sex can lead to changes in lifestyle, personality, and loss of interest in physical intimacy with a partner. It may also result in social isolation, career loss, and financial consequences. It's important to recognize the signs of cyber sex addiction and seek professional help if needed. Treatment options including therapy, support groups, and lifestyle changes to break free from unhealthy habits and build meaningful relationships.